Hello and welcome to this games. In this video I am going to show you how you can download any files such as game textures in Godot at runtime. As you can see here, texture is downloaded and saved in local storage. So first let's create our download file scene. For that we will select the user interface node. Let's rename it to download file. Now we will add a button and place it somewhere in the middle left. After that, let's add a label which will act as a progress for download and set it above the button. Now we'll need to add a text area to show downloaded texture file. Let's add that and we'll expand it all the way and place it on the right side. After that, we finally add the HTTP request node which will handle the actual request of downloading file. After that, let's see if everything is in right place or not. Now we'll add the script to the root node. Now in script, let's first delete everything except the ready function. Now let's connect the button press signal from button and HTTP request completion from HTTP request node. Now as first we will use export variable. Now this export variable will be used for URL of file. We will use export so that you can use it for multiple files. Let's give our file a name and its extension. Make sure extension is correct, otherwise it will not work. I have used areas folder it now, but you should not use it. You should better use user folder if you want to store data for a longer period of time. Looks like we don't need ready function, so let's delete this. In button press function, we will add download file function which will take the URL and the path plus file name as argument. So let's create the download file function. In download file function, we will first check if the URL is empty or not. If not, we will give HTTP node and use set download file function with the path. We will then request the download URL as http request.request URL. Here the second line will handle the actual download request and the first line will handle the saving of downloaded file. If you need just to download files, this is enough, but in this tutorial we will also use @_process function which will handle the actual progress bar for the label. For progress bar, we will check if file size is above 0 or not. If it is above 0, then we will first get the total downloaded byte as http request.getDownloaded bytes and convert it into kilobytes. We will once again use getBodySize function to get the total size of file and also convert it into kilobytes. Now we can simply change the label text as this, which will show the both progress as well as the total file size in kilobytes. So now once request is completed, HTTP request will throw a request completed signal. So now on HTTP request completed function which executes one request is finished, we will check if the response code is 200 or not. Here code 200 means the request is successful. If request is successful, we will create a new image texture object and load that downloaded texture. We will then get texture area node and set its texture as a new texture image. So let's check if it is working or not. First let's copy our image URL. So let's press download button and it looks like it is working. It will throw error, but the file will download completely. I still don't know why error is happening. I checked in GitHub repo but found no answer. The application won't crash. You can check the GitHub link below for that error. So thank you guys for watching till the last. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any tutorial request, just comment below. I will do it as soon as possible. And if you have any suggestion regarding my videos or anything else, you can comment below. I will also include the download file for the project in GitHub soon. Thanks.